Hey guys, guess what? You found your way into a course about copywriting, so I suppose that's probably what you want to know, and you probably want to know what we're going to cover in this course. So in section 1, well, that's the section you're in right now, and you're going to be starting very soon. We'll cover the basics of copywriting, what it is exactly, and what does a, say, copywriter do specifically, in addition to obviously writing copy. This section also covers many of the elements you'll need to understand before you write anything. You need to understand your audience, your products, your competition, and your brand's voice. In section 2, we'll dig into the techniques and tactics copywriters need to use to craft great copy, including the art of persuasion, how to stir emotions, how to use powerful words to your advantage, and common mistakes that you'll really need to avoid. Section 3, we're going to analyze some classic copywriting formulas that copywriters have used across the world for millions of years. It's probably an exaggeration. These formulas can help you use persuasion and storytelling to get an audience to take a specific action. So we'll talk about how you can apply many of these templates to your own work. In section 4, we'll discuss specific copywriting tactics you should use for a B2B audience, a business-to-business audience. Sometimes your customer is going to be an individual person, but other times you're going to be targeting businesses specifically. We'll cover the ways to craft your copywriting pieces specifically for a business and strategies to help you hit the right tone and messaging. It's a little bit tricky. Section 5, we're talking about headlines. Now, headlines draw people into the rest of your copy. So we'll discuss what makes a great headline and how to create great ones using some basic formulas and templates. In addition, we'll cover how to create headlines for social media and how to keep the momentum of your headline going once people are on the page. In each of the sections that follow, we'll devote time to a specific type of project. We're going to cover landing pages and calls to action, email, social media, video, press releases, and then finally content marketing. In each case, we'll dig into what kind of copywriting works best, methodology you can use, and techniques you can use to get the results you want each time. Lastly, we'll wrap up our copywriting course with a look at some case studies so we can make sure you've got all the skills down. All right, guys, that pretty much sums up everything we're going to cover in this course. Hope you're excited. I'll see you in the next lecture.